Homer's going to be taking some footage of me reading the stories to you so that we can put it on our website so other kids can see the stories as well. Because everybody loves a good story, don't they? You like a good story? Yeah? Good. All right, before we have our stories, we sing a song here. Does anyone know what it is? Put your hands up like this so I know you're ready. Here we go. Everybody clap, ding, clap, ding, clap, ding. Everybody clap, ding, just like this. Let's stomp now. Everybody stomp, ding, stomp, ding, stomp, ding. Everybody stomp, ding, just like this. Everybody shaking, shaking, shaking. Everybody shaking, just like this. Let's shake fast. Ready, set, go. Everybody shaking, shaking, shaking. Everybody shaking just like this. Everybody rolling, rolling, rolling. Everybody rolling just like this. Everybody tapping, tapping, tapping. Everybody tapping just like this. Okay, tricky tapping. Start with your hands on your shoulders. Cross them over and tickle yourself under the armpits. Good work. Everybody tapping, tapping, tapping. Everybody tapping just like this. Beautiful tiptoeing, everyone. I've got the first book here. What is on the front of this book? Mum and Dad and a kid. And what else is there? A cow. A chicken.
A wolf.
It looks like a wolf. I think it might be a cat or dog. What sound does a dog make? A cow. And the cow goes? Moo. Very good. What about the chicken? Very good. The book is called Dad's Wishing the Rain Would Come. I like the rain. Does anyone else here like the rain? We do need rain, yes. I can see some boots. I reckon they'd be good for jumping in puddles, those boots. And there's a hat. Should you wear a hat on your head when you go outside? Yes. Yeah, you shouldn't get burned, should you? I can see somebody's just woken up. Can you do a big waking up stretch and yawn? Oh, what a big stretch. Oh, nice stretching. When we wake up in the morning, we know there's lots of work to be done on the farm. Dad's wishing the rain would come. Is he looking at the sky? What do you think he's looking for in the sky? Maybe some rain clouds. We put on our worn out work boots and our dusty old hats. Mum gives us a kiss as we head out the door. Our boots stir up the dust as we make our way to the ute. Can you see the dust here? The soil is wishing the rain would come. Oh, what can you see? Sheep? Cows? Can you see any grass?
No.
No.
But I can see an animal right on the other side.
Can you? Good spotting.
And I don't know what.
Our first job is to set up the pump. It's a pump to collect the last of the muddy water from the dam. Look, they're pumping it into the trough for the cattle. Dams are earthen places where the water collects. We fill the troughs for the cattle to drink. They solemnly walk single file across the paddock. It's drinking time. A truck with huge round bales of hay arrives in a cloud of dust.
And look, some cows.
Some cows, good spotting.
Some chickens.
We unload some and drop it at the feed station. The driver says, "Rain's coming." He points into the distance. We strain, but see only one lonely cloud on the horizon. Can you see that cloud?
I can't put it
Very
on that
small.
side. I can see it.
It's very small.
I can see it.
The cattle are wishing the rain would come.
Big hat.
Oh my goodness, what do you think this is?
I don't know.
Is that a vegetable garden?
And that's the mum.
There's the mum,
And the dad and the
the dad, and the boy, and the dog, and the chook. We head over to the veggie garden. Mum's turning the cracked, crunchy soil and collecting the few remaining veggies for dinner. Dad waters the thirsty ground as I collect the eggs from the chooks. They're scratching around in the dirt and bathing in the dust. There's a lot of dust around, isn't there?
That's a lot of work today.
Yeah, a lot of work to do on a farm. I spy 2 clouds on the horizon.
And look.
What can you see?
I can see that.
Oh, you can see those. That's a rooster.
Yep.
And can you see the little chick?
I see a windmill.
A windmill. That's a good thing to have on a farm, isn't it? The chooks are wishing the rain would come. Oh, what's that in the tree?
I don't know.
It is a bird. Does anyone know what sort of bird? Would you like to know what sort of bird it is? It likes hanging upside down, but it's not a bat. It's got pink feathers and grey feathers. It's called a galah.
They're my favourite birds.
Are they your favourite birds?
And sometimes
Does anyone know what this bird is?
a kookaburra. And my favourite colour bird is kookaburra.
Are they? Can anyone make a kookaburra sound?
Kookaburra sits in the old gum tree.
That is a beautiful kookaburra song. That is lovely. We eat our lunch under the shade of the big gum tree. Kookaburras and galahs call for rain above us. The birds are wishing the rain would come. Is everybody wishing the rain would come? Yeah.
Today the rain will come.
Yeah, I hope so. It's going to rain today.
Favourite.
After lunch, Mums helps to check and mend the broken fence line. It's hard, hot work, and the wire glistens in the sunlight. Through Sweatfield's eyes, I see... How many clouds are there? 3 clouds on the horizon. I'm wishing the rain would come.
Me too.
Oh my goodness! What's happening here? Is it a bit windy? Dad and I muster the cattle back home. A willy runs through the paddock.
What are they?
That's the wind going whoosh, and they're the cattle.
What are they?
They're the cattle. Okay, sitting down on your bottom. We get back to the homestead at dusk as Mum is shaking the dust from the clean sheets. She says, the clouds are brewing. Do you think it's going to rain?
Yeah.
We can see 4 big grey clouds on the horizon. Mum's wishing the rain would come. We eat dinner quietly after the day's hard work. Mum's wishing the rain would come. Dad's wishing the rain would come. I'm wishing the rain would come. Clip,
And then the cow.
plop. Clip, plop, plop, plop. What do you think's happening?
Raining.
Do you think it's raining? Is that the sound of drops on the roof?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness!
Thunder.
Thunder!
Thunder is my favourite.
It's your favourite. I like thunder too. You hate thunder?
I hate thunder.
It starts softly, then comes in crazy, chaotic drips on the old tin roof. We rush out the door as the sky goes kaboom.
And there's 2 little cows.
Yes, Mum's crying. Oh, Dad's crying. Mum's laughing. The rain has come, I yell.
The kid is on the floor.
Yes. Oh, do there's still lots of work to be done on the farm, but today we're planting the veggie garden with new seed. Dad's whistling, Mum's singing, the dams are bulging and the dust has settled.
Do I say shape?
Yes.
Look. Look at this.
What is on the ground now? Not dust.
Chickens.
It's not
Grass.
grass, lovely green grass.
Look.
After a few days, the chooks are happily pecking at the fresh tufts of grass. The cows are watching the grass grow over the paddocks, kissed by the rain. Dad smiles and says,
Look at this.
the rain has come. Oh, everyone's happy now.
Look.
Yep, I can see that. That's